Okay, good morning. Our model is based on grey water management. So grey water is the domestic wastewater which is produced in households, kitchen sinks or hand wash basins or food showers, which does not contain any fecal contamination. So in rural areas, the wastewater which is generated in households is disposed of into the nearby water bodies, which results in water pollution and also decreasing freshwater reserves. So our problem statement is based on that in every rural household, a filtration unit can be installed so that the wastewater which is like wastewater will pass through this filter and the treated wastewater can be used for many other applications, such as the treated wastewater can be used for gardening purposes, as treated wastewater contains nitrogen and phosphorus, which are soil nutrients, and they will help to replenish the soil. Also, the treated wastewater can be used for other purposes such as watering the plants, watering the ornamental plants which are used which are like installed in the garden to provide attractiveness or for good smell. But at the same time, it should filtered grey water should not be used for plants, watering the plants which produce fruits and vegetables, as harmful elements may come up in the fruits and vegetables, and on consumption over a long time, it may result into some illness. So yeah, that's
Good morning. In rural area, there is a 135 liter water required per person, and in which 80% water which is generated, grey water which is generated from this fresh water. This is the current scenario of my village, Latur, Kergaon, Latur, in which the sources of water is well, hand pump, borewell. The water which is coming from these sources into the village, whole village, and then in which the 80% grey water is generated from this water, and this water is directly discharged through a surface drain to the river, and the river get polluted from this grey water. So on that solution, we can use this technology for grey water. Then there is in my village the population is 3,000 and required water, for example 100 liters for per person. The total fresh water required for whole village is 3 lakh liter per day, and in which a total 2,40,000 grey water will generate from this fresh water for whole village, and this is a max amount to be generated. So we can apply this technology. It is affordable in
So basically in our charcoal based filter media, we have made use of 4 layers. So first layer is of adsorbent cotton. It is made from natural fibers and it helps to remove impurities from wastewater. And the second layer is of combination of sand and crushed aggregates. It helps to remove organic matter, suspended solids, and it also has a high surface area, and also it has porosity. So it helps to remove the wastewater. And the third layer we have used is charcoal. It helps to remove the odor and color of the wastewater, and it has high absorption capacity. So it has main role. And last layer we have used is of pebbles. It can't be break easily, and this is why pebbles we have used, because it can't be break easily. That's right. And so we have adopted this charcoal based filter media because it has high versatility, chemical stability, and high absorption capacity. That's why this model is economical.
Charcoal water filter is a straightforward process. The best thing about this process is you just need a jar or a container depending upon the requirement of water. Second is there is cotton, which has a minimal cost, which you can take from any nearby stores. And third, pebbles, sand, and charcoal. They have affordable prices, and sometimes we can get it free of cost from nature. So therefore, we can use this model for rural areas because of 3 reasons. First is due to materials availability. Second is cheap making cost, and third is it requires no electricity. So hence we can collect all the wastewater from kitchen sinks, bathroom sinks, and washing machines into a single pipe and passing it through the filter to clean the water for various purposes. Thank you.
This is the wastewater we have taken from kitchen sink. Now we will see with the help of demonstration.
Okay, this is a sink water. Total 80% of the treatment. Total 80% of treat of this grey water.